BlackLine is a financial automation platform. We support the transaction matching and accounting close processes for our clients. So like many companies starting this journey, we relied on our clients to tell us when things weren't working. As we've matured past that, the goal is to get us ahead of our clients. So not only can we make sure that they are available, that they have the systems they need, but we can tell them when things are going to occur that might impact them in the future. During an incident, when an engineer has to figure out what's going on and they have multiple tools, there's a high cognitive load that we're making them do. They're having to understand not only the systems they're trying to debug, but how the systems that tell us about the systems interact with one another. They're having to correlate information. They're having to take a look at multiple screens and say something as simple as, are these all in the right time zone? Are we looking at the same information? That places a high burden on a person. And most incidents aren't taking place when you're at your best. They're not happening at 5 p.m., they're happening at 3 o'clock in the morning. You've just woken up and you're trying to tackle something. You don't want to have to say, I need to pull up 10 different screens. We want systems that can do that for us. So we can spend, I think where humans are really good at it, which is figuring out the problem, not figuring out how to figure out the problem.
When we first installed New Relic, we were able to consolidate a lot of information that was sprawled across multiple tools. We were looking at logs, we were looking at infrastructure, and from there we were able to go through and with a single agent installation, notice things that were falling between the cracks that allowed us to alleviate pressure before it was ever felt by any of the clients.
As soon as we deployed, we were able to find and prevent 6 issues for our customers before they ever happened. And that came out of the box just deploying the agents. That showed ROI from the get-go. We get charged for ingestion, and ingestion for us is the best model that we have. And I think when you charge per host, if you have tens of thousands of hosts scattered across the globe, that can get out of control rather quickly. New Relic gave us a very easy model to follow. It's X's and O's. We know exactly what we're going to get charged, and we have dashboards that are already built in that tell us exactly what our trend is and what our future spend is projected to be. It's easy for our finance department to follow, and it's easy for our procurement teams to negotiate.
New Relic has been instrumental in going through and attracting and retaining good talent. The cultural shift here is that they don't have to learn, 5 different tools or how we've implemented them. The standardization of New Relic has been fantastic, where the new employees that come in feel very comfortable getting into the tool, and we're able to get more out of them initially faster.